Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef stock cubes. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of beef bones, some aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and a few bay leaves. Roasting the bones and vegetables at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes deepens their flavor significantly. This initial step is crucial for a rich, savory stock. Then, transfer everything to a large stock pot, ensuring it's at least 8 quarts. Next, cover your roasted bones and vegetables with about 4 quarts of cold water. Bring it to a very gentle simmer, making sure it never comes to a rolling boil. This slow, steady heat, maintained for at least 6 to 8 hours, is key to extracting all the wonderful flavors and nutrients. Remember to periodically skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface, keeping your stock clear and clean. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth. This ensures a perfectly clear liquid, free from any bone fragments or vegetable bits. Discard all the solids, their work is done. Now, return the strained stock to the pot and reduce it by about half over medium heat. This concentrates the flavors, making it incredibly potent and ready for cubing. Finally, once your concentrated stock has cooled slightly, pour it into ice cube trays. Fill each compartment, leaving a little room for expansion. Place the trays in the freezer and let them freeze completely for at least 4 hours or until solid. Once frozen, pop the cubes out and transfer them to an airtight container or freezer bag. These homemade beef stock cubes will keep well for up to 6 months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.